So today we're installing some lowering springs on Gary's Camaro SS. These are about 1 inch to a 1.5 inch drop. Alright guys, this is before the lowering springs are put in. All that space is gonna be filled up. Let me just do a quick run through of what we're gonna be doing. Basically, we're taking the old spring off of the strut by using spring compressors. Then we're putting on the new spring onto the old shock to get it lower. Alright guys, so the Camaro is in the air. Give you a better look with the wheels off. You see the lowering spring and the strut right there. There's a few bolts to get it off, but I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse and show you how the whole process is gonna go. Stay tuned. How the two-step feeling?
Yeah. This nigga with his running cat techniques, man.
Before this video even start, we're sponsored by MW Motorsports. So for all your needs, you know where to go.
Shoot something. Be quiet.
Now he did that. He did that.
You see, you want to make a YouTube shop, see that?
I'm wearing black boy now with spray paint by up there.
Man decided to plaster dip everything and don't take his lugs off.
Bro, buddy, go low like.
Yeah, it's heavy. Brother, heavy no better. Don't pick it up. Heavy as fuck.
Ole, I got you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You think this shit is light? We're gonna see, guys.
I can let this easy.
This is fucking 20s. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Do 10, do 10, do 10. Come on. Yeah.
I can't do this.
This shit too heavy, man.
I told you. My mechanic over here. So what up, mechanic? That mean what up, guys?
Batmobile.
When they start drive up somewhere, to get a little bit lower.
Regular height. When they start drive,
To get lower. Nigga, that shit is low though. It already dropped lower.
Touch the tire like I said.
That's about an inch left. It's gonna settle in though.
I'm happy with the result.
Car's officially lowered on H&R spring.
Breathe, camera up with the wall.
Finishing touches.
I said it when I stay long term, brother.
But the Camaro is officially lowered.
Outside, another guy, the more.
Outside, real.
Camaro SS underscore. Follow my channel, please.
Follow this man's channel for more content, more racing videos, and all of the above. Alright, so the car is officially lowered and sitting right. In the next video, I'm going to be doing an update, give you guys some cinematics, and show you how the car looks in the daytime. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.